here I'm in the Chrome Web Store, and there's an extension that I love to use. I actually use this extension every single day, and it's called Web Paint. All right, you're gonna download this extension, and once you've installed it, you'll find this extension located at the top right-hand corner. It's completely free. I'm gonna go over here to Wonders, and there's a number of different ways to access the pages, but here I'm on the main page, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on that printer icon. Once I'm at the printer icon, I'm over here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that extension, and I'm gonna start annotating the text. The great thing about WebPaint is there's a number of different colors to choose from. I could maneuver the little circle around. I'm gonna go ahead and start typing. So I'm gonna write student, and I can draw a rectangle around it, okay? Let's say I made a mistake, I could always go backwards. I can make the rectangle a little bit thinner this time. Okay, I could use that paint bucket to paint the whole page. Let's say I made a mistake, I could always go back. I could draw circles around it. I could use that tool to underline the text. Okay. And let's say I want to change the thickness of it. I just pull that over here, and I could change it right here. There you go. Do you notice how simple that was? It's so easy to use. And you could always change the color by going over here. And let's say this time I want to type in something like, I love this extension. Or I could use a different color this time. And let's do this color. And I'm going to make the text smaller. Yeah, I'm going to write, this extension is so cool. Okay. And I could start drawing all over it. And let's say I'm super proud of this work, then I could go ahead and select that camera to take a screenshot of it. I could download it, I could print it, copy it to a clipboard, or I could even crop it out. I'm going to go back to the page, and let's say I'm done, then I'm going to select this button right here to quit, okay? Or if I want to erase the whole thing, I just click on that broom to erase it all. Super simple. And it works for practice book pages as well. So I'm going to go to right here, Your Turn Practice Book. Let's go over here. Let's go to over here. So I'm going to use that text box right here. I'm going to use a different color. I want to make the text a little bigger. Super easy.